Hi everyone, today I am preparing a few canvases for painting, and for that I'm applying gesso. They are ready-made canvases, and already gesso has been applied, but I still want to put one more layer. That way I feel more comfortable with the thickness of the gesso, and that is why today I am putting another layer. I have used gesso, which is quite thick but watered down and mixed properly, so that it is not having any lumps. I have mixed it with water, and that I have put it in, mixed in a separate container, not the original container, and I mix more and more as I need it, as and when I need it, and so from that container I am applying thinner gesso. First I spray some water, and then I applied the gesso with a broad 2-inch brush, and apply it in all sections, all corners of the canvas, so that I can see in the light it has been evenly applied. And then I will let it dry and for a couple of hours, and then it is ready to be painted. So I had to actually mentally prepare and find a gap between work to do this job, because it is necessary for my mental satisfaction to do one more layer. And without gesso, especially oil painting needs gesso, and without gesso the color will seep through the cloth of the canvas, and then you can see it on the other side if you don't apply it. And hence I'm here preparing 4 canvases today and getting it ready for the next step. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.